Got my V6 Mustang right here. It's the fuel cell set up here. So today I'll be hooking up the return fuel line, the feed line, making the bracket for the aeromotive fuel pump, and I'll be also hooking up the wire for the fuel pump as well. What it look like under there? Don't mind my tires. This is the only way I feel safe on an incline driveway. So this is the work we're doing today. I'm already set up. I got my drill, the wire, all the clamps, the loom. So this is the fuel setup, fuel tank. It's a fuel cell, 20 gallons. And I'm going to be making an actual bracket for this. It's going to be fun. fuel setup. Let's see. Try to do that now. And we're gonna figure out this right here. It's not return, it's gotta go upstairs. So I gotta drill a hole into the floor, run this to the top, into the top of the fuel cell. And this is the feed line. And this is the fuel, to power up the fuel. Okay. We got a lot of wires to cut. Alright, this one could go here. The pump is here. Should be out the way. That's out the way, right? That is out the way. Another, this is the return. This is the power for the Harley Sniper for the fuel pump. Give power to the fuel pump. Alright, got you. So I really want to somehow get it like this. So it'll be somewhere here. This will be the fuel line here. I also want to bring it down. So it's got to go right into there. Somehow like that. So I could put a piece of plate, maybe weld it to the reinforcement. And then bolt it on from there. Okay. Sound like fun. Also got to fix that. I don't have a vise right now, so we gotta tighten this. Yeah, it is super hard without damaging the fitting here. Okay, so let's fold this up real quick like that, just so it's not in the way. Same thing with this. Here. Okay. I'm gonna put the tools away because I don't need them over there anymore. Power. I'm not using this either anymore. So we're not using the power from the ECU to turn on the fuel pump anymore because we're going directly from the Harley Sniper. The Harley Sniper has its own built-in power source for the fuel pump. So when the screen turns on, the fuel pump will turn on. Okay, so I'll be back, guys.